I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it, 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 gave it. Super ghetto mukbang because I need to vent and I am pissed. Okay, coming to y'all with my homemade hamburger double burger. Don't got no cheese. All that thing I got on is 2 patties that I made with ground beef, lettuce, ketchup, sriracha, mustard, mayonnaise, pickles. So all that. And my bread look like it don't like me and want to fall to pieces. Just like with my other stuff. I don't know. Well, see, I'm gonna tell you. So be ready. Sloppy eating. Super ghetto. Pissed off. I want to come and vent and rant at my husband. Okay. Yeah. This man worked my last nerve today. At work all day. Had an awesome day. Awesome day. Clients. We had Christmas music playing. This picture. Snapped all day about how fun it was. Singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer with the clients. Come home and for one, he complaining. He got to go to work. His ride ain't came because he ride with his boss. Okay. Number 2, complain. I'm happy. I'm in a good mood. I think my sister bringing their puppy because she going out of town. What? Why they bring that dog over here? We can't get a dog. I mean the complaining spirit. So I start buying the devil and saying that complaining. Nothing. Right. That complaining spirit. Sharice don't want none of that. I don't want none of that around me. None. Okay. So, he's saying all kind of crazy stuff. I'm like, you don't have to watch him. It's a little bitty chihuahua that my daughter watch most of the time when my sister go out of town. Okay. She don't like men too much, so she do bark. But the complaining spirit bounced off him, bounced on me. I started complaining, fussing at everybody. I'm like, no. My 2 favorite things, I'm supposed to eat, pray, and come do me a mukbang video while I'm eating and calm myself down. Thanksgiving is around the corner. I'm thankful that God got me alive. I don't want to be all ranted up and crazy, but the man got me mad. The man got me mad. Y'all. You know when that pipe be balling over and I get it to him. What? What you complaining for? And then you want to say snide comments? Take yourself on to work. Get on out of here. Y'all, look how much I'm eating. Oh, I don't even care. Look at that. I don't even care. I'm an emotional eater. So either I'm going to eat like over because I'm emotional, or I'm not going to eat. I kind of feel better now. I need to start putting some Christmas music on. Yeah. It's like I released something. when I came to talk to y'all. I'm happy now. I really realized, yeah, I need to not let that complaining spirit jump off on me. And then to sit here and eat. Mm. Okay. That's the last of that. I'm full. Grubbies, y'all are therapy for me. You know, leave me some comments below telling me how to, when you have, you know, when you're married or with somebody, your friend, your mate, and it seems to be a problem with some, well, a bun. And you need an outlet. You need a good friend, an outlet, something that you can just go be yourself and say, man, I'm pissed. I'm GD mad. No, but I feel so much better. Thank y'all, Grubbies. This burger made me feel so good too. Now, I have to cook a cornbread dressing for work tomorrow. It's our last day. We having Thanksgiving dinner at work. And we all bringing something. So I'm cooking cornbread dressing. I was gonna show y'all how I cook it, but I couldn't. I was in a bad mood. So I didn't already cook my dressing mix. Now, I feel better. I'm gonna put me some Christmas music on. And cook the cornbread and mix it up, babe. Yes. Y'all, I am an emotional eater, so I know I feel good. But I'm gonna get off. I'm done. I'll tell you all that. I know it looks super sloppy. I know it looks super ghetto. We're gonna call it the ghetto burger. Okay? Because I'm pissed. But now I feel a little bit better. I feel a little bit better. It might be just something that because I'm in front of the camera and I'm feeling good. But I don't know. But I love y'all, my grubbies, so much. I love y'all. Love y'all. So much. Thank y'all for just being an audience and being an outlet that I can come to. I have so many people that just always comment. The same people, and I appreciate y'all so much. Michelle, Quita, I think that's how they say it. Miss Beth, Miss B, Miss Deborah. I mean, who else? I talk to the same people all the time. If I forgot you, I'm sorry. But y'all are my friends. Y'all have me laughing, and I really enjoy doing this. So thank y'all so much for being an outlet. Leave me some comments below telling me to control my, my anger. And I'll see y'all the next time it's time to grow. Give this video a thumbs up. No, give it a thumbs down because I am really ranting. Okay? Stop the madness, Sharice. Bye. Love y'all.